Statutes other than codes. If you review two of the main legislative publications that are produced by the Office of Legislative Counsel here in California, you may come across a section in each of them that's titled Statutes Other than Codes. What are those? If you look at either the table of sections affected or the statutory record, which are compiled by the Office of Legislative Counsel and are important publications to track changes to California's 29 codes by individual measures each legislative session, then you'll come across these words. Now, in addition to tracking all of the changes made to those 29 codes, these two publications, again, the table of sections affected and the statutory record, they track changes to the state constitution, budget line items, and statutes other than codes. So this is where the distinction between codified and uncodified statutes is important. Codified statutes are those statutes enacted by bills or statutory initiatives that are placed in one of the codes, and those 29 codes in California are organized by subject matter. The other type of statute that is enacted by the legislature are the uncodified laws. And these uncodified laws are also measures enacted by the legislature. And so that is why these two legislative publications have sections on what are called the uncodified laws, or in these publications, they're called statutes other than codes. These provisions are cited by year of the legislative session and chapter, the chapter number. Uncodified laws are given a chapter number by the Secretary of State after the governor signs the measure. You'll not find those uncodified statutes in any of the 29 codes. So the statutes other than codes is another way of describing the uncodified statutes that are either enacted or amended each year by the California legislature.